What's going on, everybody? So today's tutorial is about interfacing LCD monitor with MQ-135 gas sensor. So let's get started. So firstly, we included the liquid crystal library for the LCD monitor. Then we defined the pins of the LCD. Then we defined the pins of the gas sensor. Then we defined the pin of the LED. Then in the void setup, we started the communication between the LCD and Arduino. Then we started the serial communication between the Arduino and serial monitor. Then we defined our LED to be an output device. So in the while loop, we gave our system 2 seconds to settle down. Then in a variable called sensor value, we stored the value from the sensor. Then we gave two conditions. First one is if the sensor value is less than 305, then the LCD will print gas not detected and the LED will be off. And the second one is if the sensor value is more than 305, then the LCD will print gas detected and the LED will be high. So then, as usual, go to tools, select your board, which is Arduino Uno, then go to port, select your port and hit upload. Demonstration of how the system is working. As you can see, as I hold the stick in front of the sensor, the gas gets detected, which is mainly carbon dioxide, and the LED turns on. Hope you found the video useful and see you in the next tutorial.